All right, it's race day. We are all loaded up. Got the car on the trailer, looking mint. Got the best dirt bike ever created, the Coolster right here. Myself, B-Rad. What's up, guys? Nick, the old DRZ. Brandon's repping the new sticker. DM me on Facebook or Instagram if you want some of them. We're all packed up. Car is running good. It's working good. The bump box is awesome. So we are set to go. We're about to hit the road. It's about a 2.5 hour drive and we will be there. We'll see you guys then.
Well, we're heading up to the lanes right now. Nate's gonna make a test hit really quick. He drew a convertible Chevy 2 Nova thing first round, but everybody gets one test hit per class, so heading up to do that first, and we'll see how that goes.
Hey guys, so just kind of wanted to talk about what happened there and what proceeded to happen for the rest of the evening. So I tested the bump box in my driveway, as you guys seen, and it did work very well. And then when we went to put the car on the trailer, I decided I wanted the bump just a little bit more gentle. So I softened it up some more, tried it, crept ahead just perfectly. I was like, all right, this is what I want. This is how I want it set. So I left it. And so then first test pass there, I go up, I hit the button, it attempts to move once, and then it don't move at all anymore. So what I'm thinking now is trans temp has a huge factor in it because I did not change the boost at all. I did not change the leave at all. So that's got to have some sort of thing to do with it, and I don't quite understand what it is or why. And I have talked to some people about, could this have an aluminum valve body on it or a cast one? Because I've heard that makes a difference, and it does have a cast one, so I should be good there, but it just really does not make sense, and it's super frustrated, and I'm really, really, really sick of looking like I don't know what I'm doing out there. So I will get that fixed. I am looking at a couple other ways to do it, or just try a few different things, but yeah, very frustrating. I hate how it does that. It never did it in my driveway once, and I did it 3-4 times the day that I filmed for the last video. And so I don't know why heat wasn't a factor there, because it seemed to be consistent, but I don't know, makes no sense. And then it also seems like it wants to bump multiple times per one click of the button, which is also quite frustrating. So I got some reading to do, but I'll figure it out. So as you can see there, did it again. Ended up deep staging when negative 004. So that was super stupid. And that unfortunately was the first round. So we were booted from that one after that. And so then we just went on to testing. And just kind of was frustrated because it just hadn't gone a good 60 foot yet. And I was like, what is going on? I was like, let's try and knock the tires off because it has not spun the tires yet on this bar change. So I was like, let's throw everything we got at it, and hopefully it either goes down or spins the tires. Oh my God. What do you
I
think?
think I might have pooped myself. Oh my God. That was the scariest thing I've ever had happen in my whole life. How fucking big of a wheelie did it do?
Oh.
He was still rising when you let off.
I know, I was looking, I was like, can you see the ground? I let off. 134 on the back tire.
You beat that guy too and you left way out.
Holy moly. That scared me a lot. All of a sudden I'm like, and then I let off.
Did it slam hard?
Yes. Cuckoo! I was like, oh.
Oh yeah, the bumper.
Hang up.
It came down hard enough to get your bumper up.
I'm sure the bumper smacked the fucking ground. Oh my God.
I'm sure that was nuts.
That was insane. I have never done a wheelie more than 6 inches in my whole life. Bruh!
Missed it.
You didn't see?
So after the big wheelie, which I had never done before and truly scared me just because I wasn't expecting it, we talked about it a little bit and decided that we would tighten the front suspension up. And so we did that, and you'll have to see what happened, but it seemed to make quite the difference.
breaking up like a son of a gun too.
Yeah, you were breaking up really bad.
So as you guys saw there, we went 526 on 141, and it was 127 to the 60 foot. So I just am so stoked about that, and I cannot believe that the car that Justin and I built in this garage, our first turbo kit ever, all that stuff on a totally stock 5.3, obviously cam, but it is just so awesome. And huge shout out to Justin. He absolutely killed it on helping me out with this thing. I mean, we did so much all the time. 12-hour days, just crazy. I mean, the car's been running for like 2.5 months, so that's just overall super, super, super badass. And then another huge shout out to my dad. He helps me so much during the week, and he has put so much time into this car and making it look nice and keeping me going and driving the truck and doing all the ice and tires and everything. He is a killer at that. So, and then I want to give a huge shout out to all the rest of the boys who were there. Nick, Brandon, Mitchell, Jake, and John. They all killed it, helping me out, looking at the tunes and helping me with the car and all the frustrations and filming. I mean, they play a huge part in why we could do so good too. The more people they're helping, the less stress that it puts on me as a driver, and that is so, so awesome. So huge shout out to everyone who helped. It was a fantastic weekend. We're gonna make some changes to the car. As you heard, it was still breaking up, which I still don't have my new plug wires, but they should be here this week. And that's about gonna wrap up this video. We will be back testing very shortly, shooting for that 4-second pass, which I know the car has in it. I know it for a fact. So we will get that this year, and I am super, super excited to do it. So thank you guys for watching. It was an awesome video. I had a great day at the track. We'll see you next time.